For a long time, I believed there was only one story, only one outcome, only one reality. But recently, I started noticing something. There is often more than one way to see the same moment. This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 179. The nervous system is constantly trying to predict the future. It learns from experience. It looks for patterns. It tries to keep us safe. But sometimes old patterns become old conclusions. Conclusions about ourselves, about other people, about what is possible. For years, I often believed that if something felt difficult, it probably was. If something seemed uncertain, it was probably unsafe. If something looked impossible, it would probably stay impossible. But life has challenged those assumptions many times. Not because reality changed overnight, but because my perspective changed. Sometimes we become trapped inside a story about who we are, a story about what is possible, a story about what happens next. And after a while, this story begins to feel like reality itself. But stories are not reality. They are interpretations. I am not saying we should ignore reality or pretend that difficulties do not exist. I am saying there may be more possibilities than we can currently see. Sometimes a new path appears only after we stop staring at the old one. Sometimes a new opportunity appears when we stop assuming we already know the outcome. Maybe growth is not always about changing the world. Maybe growth is about changing the way we relate to it. And maybe that is enough to reveal possibilities that were there all along. Next episode, why some people struggle to enjoy good moments. If this resonates, please subscribe, comment, like, and share. It helps the channel grow. Thank you.